welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you simple steps on how to fix unsuccessful payment on Lazada. The first thing you need to do is always check your internet connection to make sure it is stable. Next, you have to verify payment details. Ensure that the billing address matches your card detail. Next, make sure your chosen payment method has enough available balance to cover the total order cost. Then, if the first method fails, just try using an alternative payment option. Make sure you also use an updated or up-to-date Lazada app. That is the latest version. You can also clear the cache of the app. Then give it a few minutes, then try again. Then if the problem continues, just reach out to Lazada customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the error you are encountering. It's important for you to know that as of April 2025, Lazada's hotline number has changed to +603 2706 0168. Again, +603 2706 0168. This might be useful if we need to contact their customer service directly. Hope you found this video helpful.